Hi, this video is in addition to the first video you have watched on finding arc measures, and the reason I'm reproducing this one is apparently you could not see the problems. So here is problem 1, and it is find the measure of each arc of circle center C, where segment AB is the diameter. What you want to focus on here is that segment AB is a diameter. Okay, if it's a diameter and also it is a straight segment, ask yourself what the measure of angle ACB is, or what is the measure of the angle that is at vertex C. Figure that out, and then you can figure out the measure of angle DCA. Just also reminding you that angle ACD and angle DCB form a linear pair. Alright, that's question 1. So let's go down to question 2. Okay, this is a nifty little chart. It says, well, it's not, it's a pie chart. A result of a survey about the age of the people in a town are shown. Find the indicated arc measures. Okay, so basically, if you are finding the measure of arc RU, then you would add the measures of arc RB and arc BU. And you know that the measure of an arc is equal to the measure of the central angle h sub 10. The information around the circle is about the ages of people, and it is not necessarily needed to answer the questions that you can ask about the measures, but it is important information anyway. Okay, problem number 3. Okay. So here it says, tell whether arc CD and arc EF are congruent. Explain why and why not. So the question you want to ask yourself is, what is the measure of each arc? If the measures are equal, then the arcs are congruent. And number A seems to be pretty self-evident. In B, okay, again we want arc CD. So even though we don't know a number measure for any of the central angles, ask yourself what is the measure of arc CD, which angle is the measure of arc CD, and which angle is the measure of arc EF. Now, are they congruent? That's for you to find out. C, again, you are checking to see if arc CD is congruent to arc EF. So that is, hello, where is my pen? Trying to escape. Okay, I was going to highlight arc CD and EF for you, but I can't find my pen. So not to worry. The measure of arc CD is equal to the measure of angle PRD. The measure of arc EF is the measure of arc ERF. So if you have reason to believe, and if you can use a theorem that would show that angle CRD and angle ERF are congruent, then you could say that those of CD and EF are congruent. I think you do remember that. Alright, so those are the questions. Let's see if I can come to the answers. So here are the answers. I think, there we go. So the first numbers are 3D is 135, 1B is 225, 1C is 180 degrees. 2A is 140 degrees, 2B is 130 degrees. Oh, sorry, erase that. 2B is 230 degrees, 2C is 130 degrees, and 2D is 270 degrees. Okay, just in case you had trouble reading that. Okay. Alright, I think this is an easy section. I think you should be able to do that. I'm going to scroll backwards just in case I have missed something. I don't think I have. There are 2 questions.